China's $51 billion gamble. The future of Africa hangs in the balance. China-Africa Summit 2024. The eyes of the world are locked on Africa, and Beijing just dropped a bombshell: $51 billion in new financing for the continent. But is this a golden opportunity for Africa's future, or a strategic move by China to tighten its grip? Let's break it all down. Welcome back to My Planet Updates. As we continue, please don't forget to show us your support by subscribing to this channel. As the global spotlight shifts towards Africa, a seismic announcement from Beijing is shaking the geopolitical landscape. Chinese President Xi Jinping has just pledged a staggering $51 billion in fresh funding for Africa. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. China is also promising to support 30 major infrastructure projects and create over 1 million jobs across the continent. What does this massive investment mean for Africa's future? Could this be the dawn of a new era in development and cooperation, or is there more beneath the surface than meets the eye? Today, we're diving deep into the promises, projects, and potential impacts of this monumental pledge. In a landmark speech at the 2024 Forum on China-Africa Cooperation Summit in Beijing, President Xi outlined a bold vision for the future of China-Africa relations. The commitment includes $51 billion in new financing over the next 3 years, $30 billion in credit lines, $11 billion in direct aid, and $10 billion in investments from Chinese companies. But this isn't just about money. It's about China's strategic push to deepen its influence on the African continent. Addressing delegates from over 50 African nations and UN Secretary-General Antonio Guterres, Xi Jinping pledged deeper cooperation in key sectors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. This includes enhancing market access for African exports, supporting 30 clean energy and infrastructure projects, and helping Africa achieve its nuclear energy goals. He also promised to create at least 1 million jobs, painting a picture of a shared future where China and Africa work hand in hand towards modernization and industrialization. At the heart of China's renewed commitment is infrastructure and trade. Over the next 3 years, China plans to launch 30 clean energy projects aimed at bolstering Africa's energy security, a critical step towards industrialization. From solar panels in Zambia to nuclear energy cooperation in other countries, these projects are designed to address Africa's long-standing power deficits. Additionally, there's a strong focus on building infrastructure that connects land and sea, promoting trans-regional development across Africa. The Chinese government is also ready to support the African Continental Free Trade Area, emphasizing logistics and financial cooperation to enhance trade flows and economic growth. To put this into perspective, some projects are already gaining traction, such as Nigeria's renewed infrastructure development cooperation, Tanzania's revived railway projects, and Kenya's expanded standard gauge railway and motorway. These aren't just promises on paper, they are concrete steps towards connecting Africa's vast landscapes and unlocking its trade potential. But China's engagement with Africa goes beyond just infrastructure. It's strategic. Over the years, Beijing has cemented itself as Africa's largest trading partner, with trade reaching record highs. This partnership is marked by both opportunities and controversies: economic growth on one side, and concerns about debt diplomacy on the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. China's focus on Africa aligns with its own geopolitical and economic goals, particularly Africa's abundance of natural resources, including copper, gold, lithium, and rare earth minerals, essential for China's green energy revolution. President Xi's pledge highlights China's intent to deepen ties in sectors like mining and agriculture, reinforcing its influence on the continent. UN Secretary-General Guterres, who attended the summit, echoed the potential of China-Africa cooperation, suggesting it could drive a renewable energy revolution. This strategic alignment of interests may indeed redefine global power dynamics, especially in the context of China's ongoing geopolitical tussle with the United States. China's engagement with Africa isn't limited to the central government. It extends to regional governments like Yunnan Province, which has been at the forefront of driving China-Africa cooperation from the grassroots level. Since 2019, Union's leaders have visited several African nations, including Kenya, Nigeria, Madagascar, Tanzania, and Zimbabwe, to strengthen bilateral ties through high-level meetings, trade cooperation forums, and sister city agreements. Union's role in enhancing political trust and collaborative development cannot be overstated. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.